Hey y'all, I'm so excited to be back. Okay, let me quit playing. Okay. Hey y'all, my name is Kwana. I have been gone for a hot minute and I apologize for that. But life gets busy and I've had a lot of stuff to do, so my bad. But anyways, today I feel like cleaning makeup. I have all this stuff that I have bought because I have no self-control and I've had no time to like use any of it. So today I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Amrezy Palette and I'm feeling a little pink today, so let's go. I'm going to start by priming my eyelids. I don't know what this primer is, but I found it, so I'm going to use it because I need to quit wasting products. Oh, also this makeup that I have on right now, like on my face, I've been wearing this all day, like to work and everything else that I've done, so if it's looking a little old and crusty, it's because it is old and crusty. I'm gonna start with the shade New Yorker. I don't know how to pronounce that. I'm just gonna blend this all into my crease with a fluffy brush. And I'm just using this as a transition shade. Okay, cool. Now, what do I want to do? This is hard. I know I'm going to do some kind of cut crease situation because there's all these pinks in here and they're just like so pretty, so I feel like I'm going to use like all of them. I'm going to use Simsa and just start packing this into the crease. I'm just going to stamp it on and then I'll blend it out. And then using the brush that this palette came with, the fluffy side, I'm going to go back in with that same shade I'm just going to say New Yorker. I'm going to blend out the edges of this color. I apologize for the sirens that are going off outside of my window. Okay, now with a dense brush, I'm going to, do I want to use black? I'm going to use Vugo, which is just this dark brown shade. I'm going to bring that right below that color to just deepen it up. I'm going to take this concealer, Makeup Revolution Conceal and Hydrate Concealer in the shade C11. I really like. I'm going to use that to cut my crease. Ooh. That was difficult. Now using this little flat brush, I'm going to spray it with some setting spray. I'm going to start with the name, with the shade Anastasia. I'm going to do a few different shades of pink, so I'm just going to start with this lightest one and just start packing it right on top of that concealer. Now I'm going to go into the shade Barb. I'm just going to overlap those two shades. It looks so different on than it does in here. Like in here it looks very like pinkish, but when I apply it, it just looks like a very like glittery, like iridescent, very light pink. Now I'm gonna take the shade Cupcake, add this overlapping the other shade. I'm gonna take Amrezy and add that to the end. Now I'm gonna go back into this black BK and just blend that right into that pink, that last pink shade. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Now, for the lower lash line, I'm going to start with the same shade. I'm going to start with the same shade I used on the top, New Yorker. I'm going to just blend that crazy underneath here. And now I'm going to take Simsa and blend this crazy under here. Now with a tiny little angled brush, I'm going to go in with BK and bring it right under my waterline. And then to keep this fun, I'm going to use the NYX Vivid Brights liner in the shade something pink, I'm sure. Nope. Love Overdose. And then I'm just going to go back in with that black again and kind of clean up that line because that pink got everywhere. Okay, I'm going to go off camera, finish this eye, and then we'll come back to complete this. Okay, so now I have both eyes kind of complete. So to finish off my eyes, I'm going to apply the Colossal Big Shot Mascara from Maybelline. I'm going to use this Sweet Cheeks blush from NYX in the shade Red Bright. Now I'm going to highlight using the Wild and Radiant palette from ABH Cosmetics. Brow bone, my nose as well. For my eyes, I'm gonna highlight my inner corners using Wasted. which is already kind of there. But, oops, and then for my lips, I'm gonna do a nude lip. No surprise. I'm gonna use this NYX liquid lip liner in Urban Cafe. The center of my lips, I'm going to use this NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Prague. Prague's hurting me. I'm going to top this off with this Ultra Glossy Lip from ColourPop in the shade Double Agent. I'm done. Got two 2020 makeup trends in one. You got the pop of neon and the waterline, and you also have the blown out extended eyeshadow. Yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. I had fun. I'm gonna try to post more consistently, so make sure you hit the subscribe button so we can be friends. Leave any comments down below. Let me know what else you would like to see, and I'll see y'all in my next video.